Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn to style links. Alright? In the previous video, we have learned to use pseudo classes. Now let us use that concept to style links. So I'll open the website. Okay, I'll open the website. This is what I have. Let me minimize it and open the style sheet. Okay, and let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this. All right, yes, and let me save it and let me open this in Notepad, HTML file in Notepad. I will make some changes here which corresponds to link. All right, so I'll say, yeah, this is fine, and here let P be outside and A be inside. Okay, and let A be inside and P be outside. All right, and what else? So this is done and this is done, and this here is also done. Okay, so it is fine. So what I've done is I've kept P outside, paragraph tag outside, and anchor tag A tag inside. All right, so let me save this. Now let me open this. Okay, it's already open. So here in the style sheet, I will be writing codes to style links. Now what are links? The links are these. Okay, the links are these. I am going to change the style of these links under 4 conditions. Okay, or for 4 conditions. So A is the tag that we use for providing link or having link. A is called as anchor tag, and we use that to mention links. All right, so A and link. All right, and I'll say color. Okay, color, and let me go to this, and let me select this. Okay, let me select this, and here I'll say hash and this. Okay, hash and this, and I'll say text decoration, and I'll say none. All right, I'll explain what it is, do not worry about it, and I'll close this tab. So A is the selector, and this is pseudo class, you know about this, and I'm saying I want the color of the link to be this, and I want text decoration to be none. Okay, I'll save this, and I'll go here and I'll refresh this. Okay, and you can see we had an underline here, and that was removed. To remove underline, you have to use this property value pair, text decoration none. That means no underlines. All right, so let me cut it, let me save it, and let me refresh it, and you can see an underline comes below the link. All right, so I do not want the underline, so I'm going to paste it and I'm going to save it. Okay, I'll refresh to get this. Now this is the style of all the links on my page. Okay, all the links on my page. What I'm saying is all the links on my page should have this and this property. Okay, this and this property. So when someone visits the website, this is what they are going to see. Okay, next I am going to use A and visited. Okay, A and visited, and here I'll say color, and let me use a different color for this. Let me use, yeah, this. Okay, this, and I'll say hash this. Okay, and that is enough for now. I'll save it. I will save this and I will refresh it. Okay, so let me click on this. It opens up a new page which has more information about ginseng. So I'll click on back now, and you can see the color of the link has been changed. Color of the link has been changed. That is because we are saying that the links which are clicked upon should have this property. Or if someone comes to your website, this is your website, if someone comes to this website and clicks on any link, then when they come back once again to your website, the color has to be changed. Changed to what? Changed to this. And that is what we are saying using a visited. Okay, so visited links, visited anchor tags, visited links should have this color. All right, so I hope you get the idea. Next is a and hover. Okay, a and hover. So I'll write the code and I'll explain you what it is. I'll say color, and let me go to this, and let me select this. Okay, let me select this. All right, and let me say hash and paste it here. All right, so I keep forgetting this. Even if you forget it, it doesn't matter, but it is good practice to use this. All right, use this. So color done. Next, let me say font weight, and let me say bold. All right, font weight and bold. So let me close it. And let me save it. Come back to this and refresh it. Okay. So now you can see how the text changes when I move the mouse over it. Okay. Now hover means moving the mouse over something. All right. So when I move my mouse pointer over the text, it changes to these. Okay, it gets this color and the font becomes bold only when I hover it, not click it. All right, when I just move my mouse pointer over the text, it changes its properties, and that is what we mention with a and hover. Okay, so let me go down, and here you can see once again it changes its properties, and here too it changes its properties. Okay, so this is for plain links. Okay, plain links when someone visits your website, and this is for when someone clicks on your link on your web page. Okay, and this is for when someone moves the mouse pointer on any of the links. And finally we have one more, which is active. Okay, active, and I'll write it here. I'll say color, and I'll go to this, and let me select the color. Okay, let me select let me choose this orange. Okay, or I'll say this, and I'll say font style. Okay, font style italic, and I'll say text decoration underline. All right, so I'll close this and I will save this, and I'll come back to this, refresh it, and now see what happens when I click on this. Okay, it loads up, right? So I don't think you have noticed what happened when I clicked on the link. So let me click and hold on this to show you what happens when I click on it. Okay, so I'm clicking on this and holding it. All right, so I'm not leaving the mouse button now to show you the effect. So you can see this text here has orange color, or whatever color that is called as, and the font is in italics. and it has underline, and that is what we wrote the code for right now, correct? Yes. And when does the link get that property? When someone clicks on it. Okay. The instant someone clicks on the link, it gets all the properties that we mentioned right now. All right. So I'm going to leave it and it goes back to normal. Okay. So you can see I'm going to click on it and you can see within a fraction of a second the style changes and the page loads up. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I hope you noticed it. So the color of this changes. All right. So the color of this changes when you click on it. So that is this active tag. Okay, active pseudo class. Now this is for when a link is clicked. This is for when we move the mouse over it. This is for link which is clicked upon, and this is normal link. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now when you write codes for links, it has to be in this order. First should be link, second should be visited, third should be hover, fourth should be active. You cannot write the code for active here, or active should not come first, then link should not come, or the order of this should not change. So first link, visited, hover, active. So you have to maintain this order. All right. So now it is time for you to go ahead and practice what we have learned in this video. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.